Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video I will show you if you are getting an error message while accessing Node.js from your terminal. If you type here node and this error message is showing you that node is not recognized as an internal or external command. So typically means that you haven't installed node or you haven't added the node installation from your path. So I'm assuming that you have the latest version of Node.js installed. If you haven't, then just type node download and download the latest version and just click the download button and select your operating system. So if you have installed Node.js and if you are seeing this error message, then this is a step 2. You just search for Node.js from the start menu and right click open file location, and this will come right here. Again right click open file location, and by default the installation is there inside your C program files Node.js. So just open your C drive and there is a folder called as program files. So this is actually the folder, and if you have installed Node.js, this will actually create this folder Node.js, and you just need to copy this location, and if for some reason you have removed it from your environment variable, just open environment variable and just go to system variable and just select the path here, edit, and just add a new entry in this. Just paste this location. So that's all that we need to do, and just click OK, and just you need to restart the terminal right here. Again type the same command node. So now you will see node can be accessed. It is printing out the version 23.7.0. so in this easy way guys, you can fix this error message. If for some reason if you have removed the location from the environment variable, just add this as shown in this video. And thank you very much for watching this video, and also check out my website freemediatools.com, which contains thousands of tools regarding audio, video and image, and I will be seeing you in the next video.